Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving who you are. That's the whole point. First, use a trusted device and sign in at account. Microsoft. com/security. Do this now. Once there, select the Unlock Account or Get Security Codes option and request a verification code sent to your primary email or phone. Make sure the secondary contact and Microsoft Authenticator are available. They speed up recovery. You do this to stop the lock from persisting and to let Microsoft confirm your identity quickly. Once you receive a code, enter it exactly. Small typos cause repeated failures. If SMS or email doesn't arrive, open the Authenticator app, approve the sign-in, or use a recovery code. If Microsoft blocks automated verification, complete the recovery form, provide prior passwords, recent email subjects, and approximate creation dates. These details matter. Continue step by step. Each correct answer raises your trust score. If you must wait, pause and clear browser cache before retrying. Inconsistent devices can trigger another lock. After verification, reset your password to a strong, unique passphrase. Do this immediately to close the window of risk. Then review security settings, remove obsolete phone numbers, add a secondary email, and enable two-step verification or the Authenticator app to prevent repeats. If recovery still fails, gather your recovery ID and the details you used on the form and contact Microsoft support. Explain the steps you already tried. One key troubleshooting tip. If support can't verify you, request escalation and keep exact timestamps of attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.